Hello and welcome back to another CodeIgniter video. In the last video we saw how easy it is to upload files, and now we're going to make it so that if you've uploaded an image, which is the only thing that we allow, then we're going to make a thumbnail at the same time. So here's our code that we have from the last video. It's the same exact as the last video we did. What we want to do is we want to make it so that after it's been uploaded, which is right here, we want to resize the image. And CodeIgniter has an image lib. Resizing an image is so easy. What I want to do first is I want to make a new function. You're not going to be going to it from the browser, but we're going to use it in the doUpload function. We're going to call it resize, and we want two different variables. One is going to be where the original image is located. So I'm going to call this path, and the second one is going to be the actual file name itself. So before we load the image library, we want to do some configuration. So first we have image library, and we're going to do GD, and you can do image magic here. And the source image happens to be where is that uploaded file, and that's going to be the path. Then we want to tell it that we want to create a thumbnail. We don't actually want to overwrite the image that we uploaded. When we resize it, we want to make sure that it maintains the ratio of the current image. That's just going to make sure it doesn't get stretched. Then we're going to specify width. This is the max width and height. It's not going to force the image to be 150 by 75. It's going to make it so the max width is 150. Now where do we want the image to go? So we have all that. Now let's actually load the image library. Say this load library, and we're going to attach configuration to it. Then we're going to tell it to this image lib resize. That's all we do. We tell it to resize. So now that we have that, let's add it underneath the data, because we now have an array that has all the information from the upload. So we're going to say this resize, and that's the function that we just made. And we're going to grab data, upload data, then we say full path. And the second is going to be file name. We can see both of these here from the file that we uploaded in the last video. Let's save this and try it out. We're going to upload the same file and click upload. You can see it was uploaded successfully, but we can't see the image, so let's take a look in the Finder window. So if we go to our Finder window, we can see two things. One, we can see that we have a 1 after Australia Unite, and that's because CodeIgniter could tell that there was already a file with that name, so adds a number at the end. It's the same as WordPress. Let's open the original file. We can see it's a standard size that we uploaded. Now if we load the thumbnail, you can see it's made a thumbnail for us. What it did was it added an underscore and did thumb. You can see this was very simple to resize the image. I made this a function, so we could use this in different projects or different pages. We've learned how to upload files and resize the images. The next video, we're going to create a mailing list. And so what we're going to do is we're going to send a mailing list to everybody that's in the users table.